1번 전자적 제시를 위한 UCP 추록 UCP 버전 1.1 제27조 거절 통지 노티스 오브 리퓨젤이다. 에 들어갈 내용으로 옳은 것은 1번 오 뱅킹 데이즈 2번 오 캘런더 데이즈 3번 15 캘런더 데이즈 4번 30 뱅킹 데이즈 5번 30 캘런더 데이즈 정답은 5번입니다. 2번 선화증권에 관한 법규의 통일을 위한 국제협약 헤이그 룰즈 1924에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 This monetary unit corresponds to 65 and a half milligrams of gold of millesomel fineness 900. 2번 Those contracting states in which the pound sterling is not a monetary unit reserve to themselves the right of translating the sums indicated in this convention in terms of pound sterling into terms of their own monetary system in round figures. 3번 The national laws may reserve to the debtor the right of discharging his debt in national currency according to the rate of exchange prevailing on the day of the arrival of the ship at the port of discharge of the goods concerned. 4번 The provisions of this convention shall apply to all bills of lading issued in any of the contracting states. 5번 The provisions of this convention shall not affect the rights and obligations of the carrier under any statute for the time being in force relating to the limitation of the liability of owners of seagoing vessels. 정답은 1번입니다. 3번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 UN 협약 CISG 1980 제12조의 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 does not allow 2번 by agreement or any offer, acceptance or other indication of intention 3번 does not apply 4번 under Article 96 of this convention 5번 may not derogate 정답은 1번입니다. 4번 협회적 하약관 딘스티투트 카우고 클로즈 2009 ITCA의 제10조 항해의 변경 체인지 오브 보이아지에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 by the assured 2번 insurers for rates and terms to be agreed 3번 at a reasonable commercial market rate on reasonable market terms 4번 without the knowledge of the assured or their employees 5번 will nevertheless be deemed to 정답은 4번입니다. 5번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 UN 협약 CISG 1980 제58조의 내용이다. 에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 바이어, 셀러, 셀러, 바이어, 바이어 2번 바이어, 셀러, 바이어, 바이어, 셀러 3번 셀러, 바이어, 셀러, 셀러, 바이어 4번 셀러, 셀러, 바이어, 바이어, 바이어 5번 바이어, 셀러, 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 셀러 정답은 1번입니다. 6번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 UN 협약 CISG 1980 제73조의 내용으로 옳은 것은 1번 기역, 리을 2번 기역, 미음 3번 이은, 디귿 4번 이은, 미음 5번 디귿, 미음 정답은 5번입니다. 7번 해상화물운 송장에 관한 CMI 통일규칙 CMI 유너폼 룰즈 포시 웨이빌즈 1990에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 These rules shall apply when adopted by a contract of carriage which is covered by a bill of lading or similar document of title. The contract be in writing or not. 2번 Contract of carriage shall mean any contract of carriage subject to these rules which is to be performed wholly or partly by C. 3번 Carrier and shipper shall mean the parties named in or identifiable as such from the contract of carriage. 4번 더 ship on entering into the contract of carriage does so not only on his own behalf but also as agent for and on behalf of the consignee and warrants to the carrier that he has authority so to do. 5번. This rule shall apply if, and only if, it be necessary, by the law applicable to the contract of carriage so as to enable the consignee to sue and be sued thereon. The consignee shall be under no greater liability than he would have been had the contract of carriage been covered by a bill of lading or similar document of title. 정답은 1번입니다. 8번 인코테엄즈 2010 CIF 규칙에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것은 1번 The seller has to clear the goods for import, pay any import duty or carry out any import customs formalities. 2번 The buyer must contract for and pay the costs and freight necessary to bring the goods to the named port of destination. 3번 The buyer contracts for insurance cover against the seller's risk of loss of or damage to the goods during the carriage. 4번 The buyer should note that under CIF he is required to obtain insurance only on minimum cover. 5번 The seller is required either to deliver the goods on board the vessel or to procure goods already so delivered for shipment to the destination. 정답은 5번입니다. 9번 다음 내용이 설명하는 계약 조항은 1번 리터게이션 클로즈 2번 인스티튜트 카오고 클로즈 3번 아어번네이션 클로즈 4번 하워드시프 클로즈 5번 클레임 클로즈 정답은 4번입니다. 10번 인코테엄즈 2010 DAT 규칙에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것은 1번 delivered at terminal means that the seller delivers when the goods once unloaded from the arriving means of transport are placed at the disposal of the carrier at a named terminal at the named port or place of destination. 2번 The seller bears all risks involved in bringing the goods to and unloading them at the terminal at the named port or place of destination. 3번 The parties are well advised to specify as clearly as possible the terminal and, if possible, a specific point within the terminal at the agreed port or place of destination, as the risks to that point are for the account of the buyer. 4번 If the parties intend the buyer to bear the risks and costs involved in transporting and handling the goods from the terminal to another place, then the DAP or DDP rules should be used. 5번 The seller has an obligation to clear the goods for import, pay any import duty or carry out any import customs formalities. 정답은 2번입니다. 11번 화환신용장 통일규칙 QCP 600의 일부이다. 아래의 내용에 해당하는 것은 1번 신용장의 추상성 2번 신용장의 엄밀일치성 3번 신용장의 독립성 4번 신용장의 상당일치성 5번 신용장의 명확성 정답은 3번입니다. 12번 추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522 제8조 서류의 작성 크리에이션 오브 다큐먼츠의 내용이다. 밑줄 친 서류 다큐먼츠로 명시되지 않은 것은 1번 빌즈 오브 익스체인지 2번 프라머소리 노츠 3번 레터즈 오브 개런티 4번 트러스트 리시츠 5번 레터즈 오브 언더테이킹 정답은 3번입니다. 13번 인코테엄즈 2010 서문 딘트러덕션의 일부이다. 에 들어갈 용어로 옳은 것은 1번 기역 바이어 2번 니은 셀러 3번 디귿 바이어 4번 리을 캐리어 5번 미음 셀러 정답은 3번입니다. 14번 추심에 관한 통일규칙 URC 522 제25조의 내용이다. 내 공통으로 들어갈 용어는 1번 시그너토리, 2번 케이스 오브 니드, 3번 리미팅 뱅, 4번 프린서펠, 5번 컬렉팅 뱅. 정답은 2번입니다. 15번 영국해상보험법 미아 1906 제46조 및 제49조의 내용 중 1호 디비에이션에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 A ship without local excuse deviates from the voyage contemplated by the policy. The insurer is discharged from liability as from the time of deviation. 2번 It is immaterial that the ship may not in fact have left the course of voyage contemplated by the policy when the loss occurs. 3번 There is a deviation from the voyage contemplated by the policy where the course of the voyage is not specifically designated by the policy, but the usual and customary course is departed from. 4번 Deviation or delay in prosecuting the voyage contemplated by the policy is excused where caused by the perilous conduct of the master or crew, if barely borne of the perils insured against. 5번 The cause excusing the deviation or delay ceases to operate. The ship must resume her course and prosecute her voyage with reasonable dispatch. 정답은 2번입니다. 16번 영국물 품매매법 SGA 1979 제29조 인도규칙 Rules about Delivery에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 The it is for the buyer to take possession of the goods or for the seller to send them to the buyer is a question depending in each case on the contract, express or implied, with the parties. 2번 Apart from any such contract, express or implied, the place of delivery is the buyer's place of business if he has one, and if not, his residence, except that, if the contract is for the sale of specific goods, which to the knowledge of the parties when the contract is made are in some other place, then that place is the place of delivery. 3번 Under the contract of sale the seller is bound to send the goods to the buyer, but no time for sending them is fixed. The seller is bound to send them within a reasonable time. 4번 The goods at the time of sale are in the possession of a third person. There is no delivery by seller to buyer unless and until the third person acknowledges to the buyer that he holds the goods on his behalf. But nothing in this section affects the operation of the issue or transfer of any document of title to goods. 5번 Demand or tender of delivery may be treated as ineffectual unless made at a reasonable hour, and what is a reasonable hour is a question of fact. 정답은 2번입니다. 17번 외국 중재 판정의 승인 및 집행에 관한 운협약 뉴요크 1958 제5조에 따라 승인 및 집행이 요구된 국가의 권한 있는 기관이 인정하는 승인 및 집행이 거부될 수 있는 사항으로 옳은 것은 1번 The parties to the agreement referred to in Article 2 under the law applicable to them under some incapacity, or the said agreement is not valid under the law to which the parties have subjected it or failing any indication thereon under the law of the country where the award was made. 2번 The party against whom the award is invoked was not given proper notice of the appointment of the arbitrator or of the arbitration proceedings or was otherwise unable to present his case. 3번 The composition of the arbitral authority or the arbitral procedure was not in accordance with the agreement of the parties, or, failing such agreement, was not in accordance with the law of the country where the arbitration took place. 4번 The award has not yet become binding on the parties, or has been set aside or suspended by a competent authority of the country in which, or under the law of which, that award was made. 5번 The subject matter of the difference is not capable of settlement by our nation under the law of that country, or the recognition or enforcement of the award would be contrary to the public policy of that country. 정답은 5번입니다. 18번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제2조 정의 definitions 및 제3조 해석 interpretations에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 confirming bank means the bank that adds its confirmation to a credit upon the issuing bank's authorization or request. 2번 banking day means a day on which a bank is regularly open at the place at which an act subject to these rules is to be performed. 3번 The terms first half and second half of a month shall be construed respectively as the last to the 15th and the 16th to the last day of the month, all dates inclusive. 4번 The terms beginning, middle and end of a month shall be construed respectively as the last to the 9th, the 10th to the 19th and the 20th to the last day of the month, all dates inclusive. 5번 Negotiation means the purchase by the nominated bank of drafts drawn on a bank other than the nominated bank, and or documents under a complying presentation, by advancing or agreeing to advance funds to the beneficiary on or before the banking day on which reimbursement is due to the nominated bank. 정답은 4번입니다. 19번 국제물품복합운송에 관한 유엔 협약 댐티 조약 1980 제27조 중재 아우번 네이션에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 Subject to the provisions of this article, parties may provide by agreement evidenced in writing that any dispute that may arise relating to international multimodal transport under this convention shall be referred to our nation. 2번 The our nation proceedings shall, at the option of the claimant, be instituted at a place in a state within whose territory is situated, the principal place of business of the plaintiff or, in the absence thereof, the habitual residence of the plaintiff. 3번 The Arbonator or Arbonation Tribunal shall apply the provisions of this convention. 4번 The provisions of paragraphs and 3 of this article shall be deemed to be part of every arbonation clause or agreement and any term of such clause or agreement which is inconsistent therewith shall be null and void. 5번 Nothing in this article shall affect the validity of an agreement on arbonation made by the parties after the claim relating to the international multimodal transport has arisen. 정답은 2번입니다. 20번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600 제19조 운송서류 트랜스포어트 다큐먼트에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것은 1번 이 시그너처 by an agent must not indicate whether the agent has signed for on behalf of the carrier or for on behalf of the master. 2번 The date of issuance of the transport document will be deemed to be the date of dispatch, taking in charge or shipped on board, and the date of shipment. 3번 However, if the transport document indicates, by stamp or notation, a date of dispatch, taking in charge or shipped on board, this date will not be deemed to be the date of shipment. 4번 이 transport document must not indicate that the goods will or may be transshipped provided that the entire carriage is covered by one and the same transport document. 5번 이 transport document indicating that transshipment will or may take place is not acceptable if the credit prohibits transshipment. 정답은 2번입니다. 21번 5 국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔 협약 CISG 1980 제19조의 내용이다. 에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 acceptance, conditional offer, acceptance, counter offer. 2번 offer, counter offer, conditional offer, acceptance. 3번 conditional offer, acceptance, offer, acceptance. 4번, offer, counter offer, acceptance, acceptance. 5번, conditional offer, acceptance, offer, counter offer. 정답은 4번입니다. 22번, 전자적 제시를 위한 UCP 추록, UCP 버전 1.1, 제2포조 서식, 포맷, 및 제2파이브조 제시, 프레젠테이션에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번, On UCP Credit Allowing Presentation of Electronic Records must state a place for presentation of the electronic records. 2번, Electronic records may not be presented separately and need to be presented at the same time. 3번, Presentation not so identified may be treated as not received. 4번, On UCP credit must specify the formats in which electronic records are to be presented. If the format of the electronic record is not so specified, it may be presented in any format. 5번, Presentation is deemed not to have been made if the beneficiary's notice is not received. 정답은 2번입니다. 23번 5국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔협약 CISG 1980 제48조의 내용으로 옳은 것을 모두 고른 것은? 1번 기역, 니은 2번 이은, 디귿 3번 기역, 디귿, 리을 4번 이은, 디귿, 리을 5번 기역, 이은, 디귿, 리을 정답은 5번입니다. 24번 국제물품복합운송에 관한 유엔협약 MT 1980 제1조 정의 데퍼니션즈이다. 다음의 내용에 해당하는 용어는? 1번 드로어 2번 드로이 3번 컨사이너 4번 칸사이니 5번 멀티모델 트랜스포어트 아퍼레이터 정답은 5번입니다. 25번 5국제물품매매계약에 관한 유엔협약 CISG 1980 제35조의 내용으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 Goods of the same description would ordinarily be used. 2번 Except where the circumstances show that the buyer did not rely. 3번 The seller has held out to the buyer. 4번 Adequate to preserve and protect the goods. 5번 The seller nor could not have been unaware of. 정답은 5번입니다. 26번 외국 중재 판정의 승인 및 집행에 관한 유엔협약 뉴요크 1958에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은? 1번 This convention shall apply to our banal awards not considered as domestic awards in the state where their recognition and enforcement are sought. 2번 Signing, ratifying or acceding to this convention, or notifying extension under Article X hereof. Any state may on the basis of reciprocity declare that it will apply the convention to the recognition and enforcement of awards made only in the territory of another contracting state. 3번 Each contracting state shall recognize an oral agreement under which the parties undertake to submit to our national or any differences which have arisen or which may arise between respect of a defined legal relationship, the contractual or not, concerning a subject matter capable of settlement by our nation. 4번 The court of a contracting state seized of an action in a matter in respect of which the parties have made an agreement within the meaning of this article, shall, at the request of one of the parties, refer the parties to our nation, unless it finds that the said agreement is null and void, inoperative or incapable of being performed. 5번 Each contracting state shall recognize our banal awards as binding and enforce them in accordance with the rules of procedure of the territory where the award is relied upon, under the conditions laid down in the following articles. 정답은 3번입니다. 27번 인코테엄즈 2010 FCA 규칙이다. 에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 캐리어, 바이어, 파우티즈 셀러 2번 바이어, 캐리어, 셀러즈, 캐리어 3번 캐리어, 바이어, 파우티즈 캐리어 4번 바이어, 캐리어, 셀러즈, 바이어 5번 캐리어, 바이어, 바이어즈, 셀러 정답은 1번입니다. 28번 해상화물운 송장에 관한 CMI 통일규칙 CMI 유너폼 룰즈 포시 웨이빌즈 1990 제6조 운송물 처분권 라이트 오브 컨트롤에 관한 내용이다. 에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 캐리어, 시퍼, 칸사이니, 캐리어, 칸사이니 2번 캐리어, 시퍼, 칸사이니, 칸사이니, 시퍼 3번 시퍼, 캐리어, 칸사이니, 캐리어, 시퍼 4번 캐리어, 시퍼, 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 칸사이니 5번 시퍼, 캐리어, 칸사이니, 캐리어, 칸사이니 정답은 5번입니다. 29번 인코테엄즈 2010 서문 딘트러덕션의 일부이다. 에 들어갈 내용을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은 1번 시프, 더 시프스 레일 저보이즈즈 2번 캐리어, 얼롱사이 시프, 이머테이츠 3번 캐리어, 더 시프스 레일 저보이즈즈 4번 시프, 얼롱사이 시프, 이머테이츠 5번 캐리어, 온보어드, 어보이즈즈 정답은 1번입니다. 30번 다음 계약서의 내용에서 대 들어갈 용어로 옳은 것은 1번 인타이어 어그리먼트 클로즈 2번 인프린지먼트 클로즈 3번 조리스딕션 클로즈 4번 리퀴데이티드 데미지즈 클로즈 5번 에스컬레이터 클로즈 정답은 1번입니다. 31번 우추심에 관한 통일 규칙 URC 522 제5조 제시 프레젠테이션에 관한 내용으로 옳은 것은 1번 The collection instruction does not have to state the exact period of time within which any action is to be taken by the drawer. 2번 expressions such as first, prompt, immediate, and the like should be used in connection with presentation or with reference to any period of time within which documents have to be taken up or for any other action that is to be taken by the drawer. 3번 The documents and collection instruction may be sent directly by the remitting bank to the collecting bank or through another bank as intermediary. 4번 Documents are to be presented to the drawer in the form in which they are received, except that banks are authorized to affix any necessary stamps at the expense of the party from whom they received the collection unless otherwise instructed, and to make any necessary endorsements or place any rubber stamps or other identifying marks or symbols customary to or required for the collection operation. 5번 if the remitting bank nominates a specific presenting bank, the collecting bank may utilize a presenting bank of its choice. 정답은 3번입니다. 32번 이 다음에 들어갈 운임으로 옳은 것은 1번 백프레잇 2번 프리페이드 프레잇 3번 럼프섬 프레잇 4번 프로레이트 프레잇 5번 데드 프레잇 정답은 4번입니다. 33번 화한 신용장 발행 포맷 MT700을 사용하여 발행된 다음 신용장의 설명으로 옳은 것은 1번 상업송장은 서명되지 않아도 된다. 2번 수취식 선화증권을 제시하면 된다. 3번 선화증권의 배서 방식은 기명식 배서이다. 4번 요구되는 보험 서류는 2통이다. 5번 포장명세서는 사본 3통을 제시하면 된다. 정답은 4번입니다. 34번 우추심에 관한 통일 규칙 URC 522 제21조 수수료 및 비용 차어지즈 앤드 익스펜시즈에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 If the collection instruction specifies that collection charges and so expenses are to be for account of the drawer and the drawer refuses to pay them, the remitting bank may deliver the document S against payment or acceptance or on other terms and conditions as the case may be, without collecting charges and or expenses, unless sub-article 21b applies. 2번 Never collection charges and or expenses also waived they will be for the account of the party from whom the collection was received and may be deducted from the proceeds. 3번 The collection instruction expressly states that charges and or expenses may not be waived and the drawer refuses to pay such charges and or expenses. The presenting bank will not deliver documents and will not be responsible for any consequences arising out of any delay in the delivery of the document S. 4번 Payment of collection charges and or expenses has been refused. The presenting bank must inform by telecommunication or, if that is not possible, by other expeditious means without delay the bank from which the collection instruction was received. 5번 In all cases wherein the express terms of a collection instruction or under these rules, disbursements and or expenses and or collection charges are to be borne by the principal, the collecting bank, S, shall be entitled to recover promptly outlays in respect of disbursements, expenses and charges from the bank from which the collection instruction was received. And the remitting bank shall be entitled to recover promptly from the principal any amount so paid out by it, together with its own disbursements, expenses and charges, regardless of the paid of the collection. 정답은 1번입니다. 35번 은행 간 대금 상환 통일 규칙 URR 725 제2조 정의 definitions 의 내용으로 옳은 것은 1번 Reimbursing bank means the bank that has issued a credit and the reimbursement authorization under that credit. 2번 Reimbursement authorization means an instruction or authorization, independent of the credit, issued by an issuing bank to a reimbursing bank to reimburse a claiming bank or, if so requested by the issuing bank, to accept and pay a time draft drawn on the reimbursing bank. 3번 Reimbursement claim means a request for reimbursement from the claiming bank to the issuing bank. 4번 Reimbursement amendment means an advice from the issuing bank to a claiming bank stating changes to a reimbursement authorization. 5번 Reimbursement undertaking amendment means a separate irrevocable undertaking of the reimbursing bank, issued upon the authorization or request of the issuing bank, to the claiming bank named in the reimbursement authorization, to honor that bank's reimbursement claim, provided the terms and conditions of the reimbursement undertaking have been complied with. 정답은 2번입니다. 36번 영국 물품매매법 SGA 1979 제2조 매매계약 Contract of Sale에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것을 모두 고른 것은 1번 기역, 니은 2번 기역, 디귿 3번 이은, 디귿 4번 기역, 디귿, 리을 5번 니은, 디귿, 리을 정답은 5번입니다. 37번 영국 해상보험법 미아 1906 제60조 추정전손 컨스트럭티브 토텔로스에 관한 설명으로 옳지 않은 것은 1번 In the case of a constructive total loss no notice of abandonment need be given. 2번 In the case of damage to a ship, she is so damaged by a peril insured against that the cost of repairing the damage would exceed the value of the ship when repaired. 3번 In the case of damage to goods, the cost of repairing the damage and forwarding the goods to their destination would exceed their value on arrival. 4번 The assured is deprived of the possession of his ship or goods by a peril insured against. 5번 It is unlikely that the assured can recover the ship or goods, as the case may be. 정답은 1번입니다. 38번 화환신용장 통일규칙 UCP 600에 관한 설명으로 옳은 것은? 1번 이 credit by its nature is a separate transaction from the sale or other contract on which it may be based. Banks are concerned with or bound by such contract, if any reference whatsoever to it is included in the credit. 2번 except as otherwise provided by Article 38. Credit can neither be amended nor cancelled without the agreement of the issuing bank, the advising bank, if any, and the beneficiary. 3번 A bank utilizing the service of an advising bank or second advising bank to advise a credit must use the same bank to advise any amendment thereto. 4번 If a credit contains a condition without stipulating the document to indicate compliance with the condition, banks will deem such condition as stated and will regard it. 5번 Banks deal with goods, service or performance to which documents may relate. 정답은 3번입니다. 39번 전자적 제시를 위한 UCP 추록 UCP 버전 1.1 제2투조 UCP에 대한 UCP의 관계 Relationship of the UCP to the UCP에 관한 규정이다. 에 들어갈 용어를 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 UCP, QCP, DUCP, GCP. 2번 UCP, QCP, DUCP, GCP. 3번 UCP, DUCP, DUCP, GCP. 4번 UCP, QCP, GCP, DUCP. 5번 UCP, DUCP, GCP, GCP. 정답은 2번입니다. 40번 인코테엄즈 2014용 지침 가이던스 노트의 일부이다. 각각에 해당하는 규칙을 순서대로 바르게 나열한 것은? 1번 기역, CIP, 이은, DDP, 디귿, CPT. 2번 기역, CPT, 니은, DAP, 디귿, CFR. 3번 기역, CIP, 이은, DDP, 디귿, DAP. 4번 기역, CPT, 이은, DAP, 디귿, DDP. 5번 기역, CFR, 니은, CPT, 디귿, DAP. 정답은 4번입니다.